beginning, God made the light. He shaped the day and ruled the night. The earth was formed, the stars were born, and life began with His word sworn. From Adam to Abraham's core, through sin and flood, God loved them all. The promised land, His mercy flows through every seed that He still grows. Even Adam faced the fall, but grace of God still covered all. Noah built that ark so wide, while rains came down, God turned the tide.